in the crypto market, it is not unusual for a project that was once pronounced irrelevant to revive. In Solana's case, the recovery since the FTX contagion has been one that may not be forgotten for a long time. For this reason, asset management firm VanEck released a report discussing the future potential of the blockchain. How much are 10,100 SLLs worth today? According to VanEck, Solana's strides with respect to smart contract platforms, SCPs, is one factor that has kept the project influential. By definition, SCPs are systems that do not require any third-party interference when executing contracts on a blockchain. And while there are other SCP-compatible blockchains like the BNB chain and Ethereum, none has been able to match Solana's dominance in the sector. The VanEck report noted that the sector is positioned to experience a surge in adoption going forward. But it also noted that to grow exponentially, it would need a killer application. VanEck explained no other chain fits that position other than Solana. And the chain that hosts that killer application stands to benefit immensely from the activity generated by that app. In this note, we model a scenario in which Solana $dollars that by 2025 with Comet at seconds in blockchain, but it's perhaps 1.56 seconds in the future on model.u, both VanEck noted. And this was a research well-paid. As a result of the SCP dominance, Solana's reign in terms of developer market share over other blockchains like Aptos has been very wide. The report noted that Solana is the markedly increasing use case, and groundbreaking technology have been responsible for the hike. However, when compared with the likes of Polkadot and Ethereum, the Anatoly Yakovenko-led blockchain lagged behind. One reason Solana trailed here was because of the numerous times the network of Jones has experienced outages. VanEck also mentioned the complexity of the Solana virtual machine as one of the reasons the blockchain has been behind. The SVM is the system powering Solana's ability to handle thousands of transactions per second. And the report explained the reason for the circumstance, highlighting that. This is partly due to the need for Solana developers to be familiar with Rust, a language with 2.2 million active developers, compared to Ethereum, which can draw from the Gen 7, 2.4 million JavaScript developers. So they want so much more over coming from, maybe you can see that have to do. And then, helping them, meeting them, and see a big DAC. And then if they were SUIT, that super potential were not just evident in VanEck's report. Artemis, an institutional digital asset data platform, also noticed the project's growth. And according to a 26th of October post on 10, formerly Twitter, Artemis noted that it was wowed by Solana's resurgence. Some of the metrics used in coming to this conclusion include the TVL, the DEX volume, active addresses, and transactions. Over the past week, L1s have started to see a shift in sentiment. Sol activity for the month has translated to sharp increase in DEX volume activity as TVL and users have seen an uptick. Is this the start of a new trend? Artemis at Artemis underscore of something like that, October 26, 2023. Realistic or not, here's a Sol's market cap in ETH terms. Regarding its price action, VanEck predicted that it could have an average trading value of $335 by 2030. But in a bull phase, the report projected a jump to $3,211 in the same year. And in a toward market condition, it noted that SOL won't trade below $10